Hello everyone, this video is for the homework 3. Today we have 2 questions to deal with. Let's check out the first one. First of all, we discussed this sequence that is P to K. We know that the sum of P to K equals P plus P squared plus P cubed and plus P to K. It equals P over 1 minus P. If we differential both sides with P, we got sum of K times P to K minus 1 equals 1 over 1 minus P squared. And then we multiply both sides with P, we got K times P to K, it equals P over 1 minus P squared. So that is the formula 1, which will be useful. And then we do the same operation. We differentiate both sides with P. We got sum of K squared times P to K minus 1 equals, and after the calculation we got the answer is 1 plus P over 1 minus P cubed. And this is formula 2. And then we do the same operation. We know sum of K cubed P to K minus 1, it equals P squared plus 4 times P plus 1 over 1 minus P to 4. That is formula 3. So let's come back to this question. If P of Kx equals K represents a probability mass function, so that's find B. If this is a PMF, we have the P of x equals 1 plus Px equals 2, and to the P probability of x equals infinity, it equals 1. So we can sum this sequence. We got the sum of bk p to k minus 1, k from 1 to infinite. So we can use the first formula we have got. That equals 1 over 1 minus p squared. So we can easily get the answer. B equals 1 minus p squared. The second question, let's find the E of x. According to the definition, we know that it equals the sum of from k from 1 to infinity, the sum of k times probability of x equals k. So we can easily get that equals k squared and 1 minus p squared, k squared times p to k minus 1. And according to the second formula, that's this one, I got the answer equals 1 plus p over 1 minus p. And the third question, we find the E of x squared. The same, just like the second one, we got that is the sum of 1 minus p squared k cubed times p to k minus 1 and k from 1 to infinity. According to the third formula, we got the answer is p plus 2 squared over 1 plus p squared. And the first question, let's find the difference between the sequence of C and B. And C and so we can easily get the answer by a simply calculation, that is p plus 2 squared over 1 plus p squared minus p plus 1 squared over 1 plus p squared. The answer is 2 times p over 1 plus p squared. And last one, if p equals 1/3, find the conditional probability mass function probability of x equals k time when x is greater than 2 and less than 5 happens. First, we find the probability of x equals 2, 3, 4, 5 separately, and the answer is like this. And first, let's discuss if k is less than 2 or k is greater than 5. So it's obviously this probability will be 0, right? And when k equals 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, the probability of x equals k given x no less than 2 and no greater than 5, and we got this one. So we can easily get this, the denominator, by add the four numbers. So the answer is k times 1/3 to k over 0.403. And so the final answer will be the probability of x equals k given x no less than 2 and no greater than 5 equals k times 1/3 to k over 0.403 when k equals 2, 3, 4, 5, and the probability equals 1 otherwise. Thank you. This is the first question.